Capitalism, you live in it, you breathe it, you cry in it. But do you actually know what it is? Yes? No? Maybe tomorrow? Capitalism equals you sell your time. Someone richer profits. That's it. You work, they win. Your boss, they're not paying you what you're worth. They're paying you just enough so you don't quit. You think you're being fairly compensated? You pigeon! You work 40+ hours a week, and what do you get? Rent you can't afford. A boss who says, "Can you stay late?" No, Linda, I can't. I'm one group chat away from a breakdown. According to a study I made up but feels emotionally accurate, 70% of workers feel like background NPCs in their own lives. CEOs make 400 times more than you, not because they work harder, because they own stuff. You work for money, they make money work for them. You own anxiety and a plant you keep forgetting to water. School prepares you for life. Lie. You learned mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but not how to pay taxes, negotiate salary, or budget. Your diploma doesn't teach you survival. It teaches you submission. Scientific studies show students forget 90% of what they learn after exams. The other 10% is just trauma and cafeteria pizza. Capitalism wants you tired, broke, and constantly coping. You buy things to feel alive. They call that profit. You call it treat yourself. Jeff Bezos calls it another yacht fund. And yes, I saw you spend your last $8.50 on a stupid overpriced boba tea with glitter ice. Was it worth it? Did it heal your soul? You pigeon! Here's the system in bird brain terms. Top, the owners, own the companies, collect passive income. Middle, managers, micromanage your calendar and send gentle reminders. Bottom, workers, you, work, burn out, get replaced. Below the bottom, the broke, no work, no mercy. But the free market will fix it. You idiot! If the market was really free, housing wouldn't cost more than your liver. And eggs wouldn't be treated like rare collectibles at Whole Foods. You're out here choosing between rent and protein like it's a survival game. This isn't capitalism. It's a pay-to-play RPG where the final boss is your landlord. They say, start a side hustle. Wake up at 5 a.m., hustle harder. Bro, you're already working 3 jobs and stress-eating protein bars. You don't need a hustle. You need boundaries, therapy, and a raise. Studies show that people who wake up at 5 a.m. just get tired faster. Facts. Can you escape capitalism? Nope. But you can play smarter. Here's how to avoid dying a middle-class pigeon. Step 1. Don't work like a worker. Workers trade time for money. Capitalists trade money for more money. Stop renting your life. Own things. Build leverage. Step 2. Stack. Weird skills. 1 skill, replaceable. 3 weird ones, you're a money magnet. Be the rare combo. Be the pigeon with laser eyes. Step 3. Invest. Even if you're broke. Start now. Small and smart. Compound interest doesn't care about your excuses. Even $10 invested monthly. $100 spent on dumb stuff. Yes, even boba. Don't make me slap you. Step 4. Internet equals cheat code. The internet broke the gates. Build something, post it, monetize it. Old system, get a job. New system, get traffic. People are out here making 6 figures selling Notion templates. You're telling me you can't build something? Step 5. Redefine rich. Forget yachts. Real wealth is peace, time, control. If you wake up and own your day, you're already richer than 90% of pigeons out here flapping for scraps. You don't have to destroy capitalism. Just stop letting it destroy you. So what's your move, pigeon? Keep pecking at crumbs? Or start stealing the whole damn loaf?